Good evening, everyone. This is my line materials LM unistyle 400, or for short, LM-400. This thing is a beautiful 1960s streetlight that sadly does not have its original components because they were all fried. But it is still mercury, and I'm trying to work with other collectors to get original parts back in this beauty. First things first, taking a look at this glass. Obviously, we have nice big glass coming down here. We've got a little bit of like surface corrosion type thing. It's not in the best shape, but it is still very solid. Going up here, we see Unistyle's signature fin. Obviously, top bolts for mounting it onto the arm. And that little screw, which is for leveling. So you can see, here's our nice solid latch. And it clicks really nicely. Let's open it up. Opening this fixture up, let's take a little bit closer look at the glass. As we can see, it is a Pyrex glass. It's a nice deep dish for this big bulb. We have an original line material sticker right here telling you how the ballast is wired, which makes me think this fixture is new old stock. But that would not be the case because the ballast was sadly all fried. But I did the best I could with not using many of the original components, or using as many of the original components as I could, along with the socket. And I also kept some of the I think they're called spade connectors. Not utilizing the terminal block right now because I still have to clean it because there was some arcing I was hearing from inside the fixture. It turns out it was coming from the terminal block. Going up here, we have our light socket with 3 different positions, as if you want light thrown more further into the roadway or more to the sides. And we have an up-down mounting position for if we want it to be less of a cutoff or more of a cutoff. And I believe there's more positions for if you want the bulb to be angled down or angled up more. Looking at the reflector, nice, clean. I believe this is all Zach aluminum with some dirt stains I still have to clean. And then this right here is the latch for the reflector. Here is the slip fitter mounting. It's got 1 strap. Obviously, as I said before, the bolts are on the top. Your 2-inch pipe would stop here, and your 1/4 of an inch pipe would stop a little bit further over here. Obviously, as we can see, our leveling screws right there again. And that really, I think that completes it for the inside of the fixture. And oh, the ballast has a Magnatech 400 watt H33 multi-tap ballast, which is the original wattage for this. It is obviously 400 watts mercury vapor. This is not the original bulb. This is a GE R40 or R400 H33 bulb. The original bulb was, I don't have it on me, it was or at least the bulb I got in this, I don't know if it was original though, a Westinghouse Lifeguard coated bulb. So let's close this big beautiful fixture back up. That nice click from the latch. Let's see that again. Telling you that everything is latched nice and tightly. Taking a last look, here is our hinge, which actually I forgot to show you, has a spring inside so you can push the lever, and then this will go in, and then the door will be easily removed. Overall, a very nice fixture. Let's watch it start up. At this point, it just keeps getting brighter and brighter, but you get the idea. Let's take a close look at that bulb real quick before we shut it off. Very cool. Do hope you enjoyed this video. This beautiful fly materials, unistyle.